Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm back. So, welcome back to the class of English and I welcome you all after the holidays of Dasara. I hope you all have enjoyed very well in these holidays. And before the holidays, what you have did? You have attended to the FA1 exams. Am I right, my dear? Yes. So, I hope you all have written well. You will get very good marks also. Am I right? Yes, very good, my dears. So, from now, we are going to start our SA1 syllabus. Don't get confused, my dears. SA1 syllabus only, not FA2. You may get the doubt. After FA1, we have FA2, no miss? Then why you are saying SA1? But now, we are in online. So, after FA1, we are going to start the syllabus of SCA1. Okay, Summative Assessment 1. Okay, can I tell the syllabus of SCA1? I'll give just orally. No need to note down now. Meanwhile, your class teacher will give, your subject teacher will give the syllabus clearly. Okay, so for SCA1 syllabus, we have textbook lessons 2nd and 3rd. Okay, and grammar 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Okay, so today we are going to start lesson 2. We are going to start lesson 2. And name of the lesson is Lizzie. The lion cub. Lizzie, the lion cub. Okay. Lizzie, the lion cub. What is lion cub? Do you know what is lion cub? A baby of lion. Okay. As we all are the babies of our mother and father, lion cub is also a baby of lion. Okay. So, do you see babies of animals anywhere? Hope you all have seen cat babies, babies of cat, babies of hen, babies of ducks and so on, babies of dogs and so on. See, my dears? Now take your textbooks, open page number 11. Take your textbooks, page number 11. I will mention the page here also. Page number 11. Okay, so can I show the page? Here it is. Lizzie, the lion cub, page number 11. Can you see properly, my dears? Yes, very good. So, here warm-up part is given. Now, what we have to do is, warm-up means not exercise. Before we start the lesson, we have to know some more about the topic. Okay, so warm-up part is given. Before we start the warm-up part, I would like to ask you whether you have seen a babies of animals. Already I have asked. Babies of animals. Dog, babies of dog. Do you know what is the name of a baby dog? Puppy, very good. What is the name of a baby dog? Puppy. A baby cat? Kitten, very good. Baby cat is kitten. So likewise, here some animals and their names, young ones are given. But see, my dear, the spelling is wrong. We have to unscramble the spelling and write the correct one. Okay, see the first bit. So sorry. Look at page number 11. Warm up part. I'll read it. Please look into your textbooks, my dears. A young lion is called a cub. As I said, a young lion means a small lion. A baby lion is called a cub. C-U-B, cub, not C-U-P, cup. Okay, ma? C-U-P, cup. It is not cup. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. I'll write on the board. C-U-B, cub. Okay. So, a young lion is called a cub. Unscramble the words to find out what these animals are called. See here, some animals are given and the babies and their babies are also given. But the letters are jumbled here. We have to unscramble the letters and find out the young one of the concerned animal. So, first one, young one of a horse. Young one of horse. Young one of horse. What is this? L-O-A-F, loaf. The young one of horse is loaf itself. First one is given correct. First one is correct. Loaf. And the second one, young deer. Second one is young deer. See what's the spelling there? N-A-W-F. N-A-W-F. Is it the correct one? No, the correct. The young one of a deer is fawn. Young one of a deer is F-A-W-N. Fawn. Okay, my dears. F-A-W-N, fawn. See, an adult deer is deer and the baby deer is fawn. Very good. Next, third one. Young goose. The young one of a goose. See, my dear, goose is a male duck and duck is a female one. Okay, goose is male. So, difference between goose and duck is duck will have a long neck and goose have a short neck. Okay, మీరు duck చూసే ఉంటారు కదా, duckకి ఎలా ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం షార్ట్గా ఉంటుంది కదా నెక్. సో గూస్కి ఎలా ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం లాంగ్ ఉంటుంది నెక్. ఓకే, సో goose is male one, duck is a female one. Okay, so young one of a goose, goose ki baby, goose baby ఏమంటారు, goose baby ని, the baby of a goose is gooseling. Baby of a goose is gooseling. Next one. Young kangaroo. Do you know kangaroo? Do you know the animal kangaroo? Where it live? It live in Australia. How it is? It will jump on two legs and it will have a pocket on her stomach. Am I right? Have you ever seen in pictures or in somewhere else? Yeah, kangaroo will jump. It will be in Australia. Yes. So the baby of a kangaroo is joy. The spelling of joy is J-O-E-Y. Joy. Okay. So my dears, this is the warm-up part. Look once again. First one, a young horse, loaf, young deer, fawn, F-A-W-N, fawn. You hear the spelling is wrong. Spelling was given wrong. So write the correct one there with pencil itself, my dears. Okay. Young deer, fawn. Third one, young goose, gooseling. G-O-O-S-L-I-N-G, gooseling. Okay. Next, young kangaroo. The baby of a kangaroo is joy. J-O-E-Y, joy. Okay, my dears. See, this is the warm-up part. Okay, this is the warm-up part. Now, Now we know some animals and their young ones. And we know young one of a lion also. Cub. Am I right? 5 we know now. Okay. So now we are going to start the lesson. Open page number 11. Those who haven't opened till now, please take your book and open the page number 11. See here. I'm going to read the lesson and explain it. Whenever I read, you look into the textbook, and when I explain, look at me. Okay. So, Lizzie, the lion cub, had always wanted a mane. Lizzie, who is Lizzie here? Lizzie, it's a baby lion. It's a cub. So, that cub always wanted a mane. Mane is nothing but, my dear, you know. Yeah, mane is nothing but a thick and long hair around the neck. You see, when you see, look at a lion. When you look at a lion, how the lion will be? It will have a very thick and long hair around its neck. Am I right? Like that, Lizzie also wanted a mane around her neck. Okay, but you can't have a mane, said her mother. You are a girl. Only boys have manes. So, when this Lizzie wanted a mane around her neck, her mother replied, you can't have a mane because you are a girl. Only boys could have a mane around their neck, not girls. Okay, only boys, only male babies, male lion will have a mane around their neck, not lioness. Okay, lioness is a female one, lion is a male one. Okay, my dears, lion is male. Lion, it's a male one, and the female one is lioness. Okay, now only lion will have a mane around their neck, not the female ones, female lioness. Okay, so Lizzie thought this was very unfair. Then she had an idea. When Lizzie's mother said that only boys could have a mane around their neck, not girls, then Lizzie thought that it was very unfair. This is not correct. It was very unfair. And she had an idea. What idea? We don't know. Now we are going to know what idea she got. She would go and see Osmond, the wise old ostrich. What idea she got? She wanted to go and meet Osmond. Who is Osmond? Osmond is an wise old ostrich. Have you ever seen an ostrich? It will have a long neck. Nothing will be there on its head. Nothing will be. See here. Look at the picture. See, this is an ostrich. Could you see here, my dears? Yeah, this is an ostrich. It has a long neck. Nothing is there around her neck and on his head also. Only feathers will be there on the body, not on neck or not on head. Okay, could you see here? Yeah. So, Lizzie wanted to go and see Osmond. See that Osmond is an wise old ostrich. Okay, so all my brothers have nice long manes. She complained to Osmond. She went to Osmond. She met her and complained that all my brothers have a nice long hair, and my head is as bald as an egg. And again she is saying that my head is as bald as an egg. Do egg have any hair on that? No, it will be very neat and clean. Am I right? Am I right? Egg మీద ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా ఎప్పుడైనా నీట్గా ఉంటుంది కదా, స్మూత్గా. So she is saying that all my brothers have long hair around their neck, but my head and neck is bald as an egg. She is complaining about their brothers, about her brothers to Osman. But what we have to do? What she can do? No one can do anything because she is a girl. Lizzie is a girl, so she can't have a man like her brothers. Okay, so my dears, once again I'll read the lesson. Look into the textbooks. Lizzie, the lion cub, had always wanted a mane. Okay, but you can't have a mane, said her mother. You are a girl. Only boys have manes. Lizzie thought this was very unfair. Then she had an idea. She would go and see Osman, the wise old ostrich. Who is Osman? Wise old ostrich. Listen properly. I'll ask questions now. All my brothers have nice long manes, she complained to Osman, and my head is as bald as an egg. Okay, so now once again I'll explain what we have learned now. Okay, Lizzie, she's an lion cub. Okay, she always wanted a mane around her neck as her brothers. Her mother said, you can't have a mane because you are a girl. Only boys could have a mane around their neck. Then Lizzie thought this was very unfair. Then she had an idea. What she had an idea? What she wanted to do? She wanted to meet Osman. And who is Osman? Wise old ostrich. And after meeting the Osman, what she did? She complained that her brothers have a mane around her neck, around their neck, and her head is as bald as an egg. So, I hope you all have understood the topic what I have explained now. Now, I am going to ask you some questions. Now tell me, my dears, what was the name of a lion cub? What was the name of a lion cub? Very good. What was the name? Lizzie. Very good. The name of a lion cub is Lizzie. Good, my dears. And then, what did Lizzie want? I hope you all have listened to the lesson properly. Now you have to answer it. What did Lizzie want? She want a mane around her neck as her brothers have. Am I right? బ్రదర్స్కి ఎలా అయితే మెయిన్ ఉందో చుట్టూ కూడా హెయిర్ థిక్ అండ్ లాంగ్ హెయిర్ ఎలా ఉందో తనకి కూడా అలాగే కావాలి అనుకుంది కదా, అవునా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, హూ వాజ్ ఆస్మన్? Who was Osman? Now only I explained. Now only I said. Who was Osman? Osman was a wise old ostrich. How the ostrich is? Ostrich have a long neck and head is as bald only. On the head, that ostrich also didn't have anything. Am I right? Yeah. So, what did Lizzie complain to Osman? After meeting the Osman, Lizzie said something. Lizzie complained about something. What's the complaint? Complaint is, her brothers have a mane, but her head is as bald as an egg. And what she want? She also wanted mane as her brothers. Okay, so my dears, this is the lesson. Now I will give some hard words to you. Okay. Lizzie, mane, unfair, complaint. Lazy, L-I-Z-Z-Y, lazy. M-A-N-E, main. Unfair, U-N-F-A-I-R, unfair. O-S-M-U-N-D, Osmond. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, complaint. Okay, learn these hard words, my dear. So that's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.